Dreame sent me this new Z30 cordless stick vacuum, and I've been testing it in my coffee shop for a bit, and I have to say it surprised me, actually. From the build quality to the suction power to how easy it is to clean, and its best feature, the price. Here's a quick rundown of the features of this new vacuum. So firstly, you might not think of design and aesthetic when you think of a vacuum, but honestly, all of our tech these days is starting to get better looking and have more of a focus on styling, and I think vacuums should be no different. The Z30, which is the flagship of Dreame's Z series of cordless vacuums, is actually pretty slick looking. Now, it's made of plastic like most vacuums because otherwise they'd be annoyingly heavy to use, but it at least is a nicer plastic and it gives this metallic vibe, which I kind of like. It also comes with 10 matching attachments that we'll get to more in a sec. But one of the first things you need to know about a vacuum like this is how much does it suck? Like in a good way, like the suction power. This one has a 150,000 RPM motor and it generates 310 air watts of suction power. So it picks up small and large particles, no problem. It also has a HEPA H14 5-layer filtration system that removes 99.99% of particles and 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, since it can trap particles down to 0.1 microns. That way you're not just picking them up off the floor and blowing them into the air. Both of the main rollers that come with it, one soft and one multi-surface one, each have what Dreame calls Celestech, which is essentially a light that is aimed in a way that it makes it a lot easier for you to see dust and particles on the floor as you clean so you don't miss anything. The soft brush is good for edges, where it can use its clean to edge feature to get right up to the baseboards. The multi-surface brush also has anti-tangle ridges that direct hair through the vacuum so it doesn't just get tangled around the brush head, which is good for the dogs that come into the coffee shop. And speaking of hair and dogs, there's actually a clever de-shedding attachment that you can use on your pet and brush them with it. Then push a button and it'll suck all of the hair into the vacuum. Beyond these, we also have a motorized mini brush for smaller messes or upholstery. We have a rotating soft brush for things like your laptop keyboard, a soft dusting brush for countertops, and a combination tool to get into tiny crevices, and for us is perfect for getting coffee dust off of the grinders. Then there's a collection of a few different adapters to make it longer or shorter, or flexible in some areas to get under things easier, etc., which is all modular and helpful. Now, on the back, we have an LCD screen that can give you some stats on what you've been vacuuming up, including various particle sizes as a cleaning report when you're done, but it can also tell you when you need to replace the filter or other maintenance tasks. You can also use it to control whether you want eco mode to save power, which will get you up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning if you do, or max power mode to get the full power out of it. Or you can select auto, and it'll adjust automatically as it senses what sized particles are coming in. And when you're done, you can push one button to empty the dustbin easily. On top of that, when it gets dirty, the filter inside here, you can actually easily remove and then wash. You leave out for 24 hours so that it dries, and then you put it back in and you're ready to go. The Dreame Z30 is available now, and the price is already not bad at all, but using the coupon code and the link in the description below, you can actually get an extra discount as well. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Always appreciate hearing from you guys. And I'm gonna finish cleaning up coffee grinds. So, good night.